Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 16. This is Section 1.2, Problem 16. It says write the given number in words, and we have a very big number, 249,164,471. You never know when you need to write a number this big. Maybe you need to write it on a check so you can buy something very expensive. Just last week I wrote this number on a check when I bought a submarine. No, I'm just joking. But let's write the number out. We'll start with the 249 million. So we'll have 200, then 49, and again between the 40 and the 9 I put a dash. And now that's million. I can't write the 164 next until I write the word million. And now 164, that'll be thousand. And again, a dash between the 60 and the 4. My general rule is if it ends in a Y, it's good to have a dash between that word and the next word, like this, 64. And again, I can't write the 471 until I write the word thousand. And then finally 471. So 400. $70, and again I use a dash because I see my Y, 471. So now there's that big number, 249,164,471, written out in words. So now you can buy a submarine too by paying by check, unless you have a big enough limit on your credit card.